we are going to learn use of and. The use of and is used to group different objects. Okay. Now we take some example. A ball and a dog. Okay. A key and a lock. A pen and a pencil. A book and a copy. A banana and a tomato. A mango and an orange. Look carefully. A brush and a paste. A cat and a rat. A goat and a dog. A jug and a cup. A king and